What is asterisk operator before a list in Python? How do I mean? If I say list is equals to 1, 4, 7, 8. If I say asterisk list, what is this? This means unpack all the elements in this list. Remove all the individual elements. So if I do something like this and say print asterisk list, it will print 1, 4, 7, 8. Let me show you. If I say list, for instance, is equals to, then I say print asterisk list. See? So this means what? Unpack. Remember, if you do something like this, you pack this element in a list. If you want to unpack them, you have to apply what? This. Let me even remove this first. Let's run this. If I say list now, I have this. If I run this now, unpack them. Okay?